So every time you're running a meta ad, whatever the new ad is, especially if you have a form, one thing you have to do for the form is to make sure that it is set up correctly with Meta. So what you have to do is come into GoHighLevel. So that's for the speed to lead follow-up, because that's, again, as I mentioned earlier, it's as important. So you have to come and GoHighLevel settings, and then from settings you go into integration. So in integrations, that's where the new form, whatever questions you're asking on the form, you're connecting it, you're making sure everything is sound and secure. So you come onto Facebook. I already have this set up, but I want to walk you through it right away. So you do update and continue, configure field mapping, map the fields, and as you map the field, you just come on here, you do edit field, and then you pretty much have to do this. But before you do this, one thing you may not have is you may not have the custom fields. So all you have to do is go into custom field, and you just have these specific fields. So in every form, if you have like a different question, it asks for a different thing. Every time you create a new form, you duplicate a form, it has different questions. You have to essentially make sure, create a contact here, add a field name, and then set this up, set the name up, and you can add a description if you like, and then from there create custom field. So you have to choose a folder contact, and then from there create custom field. So that's how you create it. So discard changes since mine is already created. So that's how you create it, and then from there you just set up the quick automations. So if I'm gonna create an automation live from here, so we go directly into go back, and then go to automation. So that's how we set up the speed to lead here. And then this one is just like creating a first SMS maybe, but like if you want more speed to lead, it does take, you have to create that within the voice, which we can do within AI agents. So I'm just gonna show you how to create like the first SMS or first email as well. You come in here, add trigger, and then from here, Facebook lead form submitted. Perfect. And then from here, form page, you choose the Facebook page is coming from, and then you choose which one it is, or maybe it could be any of them. That's the trigger. And then from the trigger, you can also tag it as well, or add filter if you want. But again, we're not doing that. Save trigger. Delete this. Save trigger. And then from here, come on here, send email. So as soon as the lead fill out the form, they get an email as well. Hi. And then from there, you just connect this to your contact first name. So this you will be able to find in the field setting. So within here, within your custom fields, you just come on here. This will be like contact that first underscore name. So that's what it should be. But again, click on settings, and then custom field, that's where you find it. And honestly, you can just copy and paste it, which should be easier for us. Okay, it's being a bit slow, but you kind of copy it from here. I don't know what it's called, but it's being slow. It's fine. We'll just set it up manually, because contact that first underscore name. You can just copy it from back there. Thanks for filling out our form. A member of our team will be calling you shortly. So for the best team, so you can do this here, and then obviously write a subject, email, where to from, and then from there you save that action, and then from there you're doing the same thing with the SMS as well. So just to show you quickly how you can connect these things, I'm not going to publish this. I wanted to make this quick video to show you exactly how you can connect these things. So hope you enjoy. Speed to lead, again, is as important as to keep your return on ad spend high and to make sure everything works. Have a good one.